And now Bob shows up. Where's you at when I was doing the thing, Bob? Bobby! Yeah, no. Bob caught his first mouse the other day, so everybody congratulate Bob. And I guess grieve for the mouse. He got a chunk of a bird, but the rest of it got away. Just left him a few feathers. Alright, Bob, you ready to go in? We gotta pack this stuff up. Alright, so this is the before. I thought about doing an installation video, but there's plenty of those on YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on these replacement headlights. See if it makes it look any better. They were $67 on eBay. Very cheaply made. I don't think they'll last very long. But they were only $67. So let's see what they look like, shall we? Oh yeah, the reason I'm doing this is because the mechanic wanted $140. And it's basically hand tools and snap apart pieces. So I don't know why it was so high. But we're going to see if we can't do this ourselves without messing it up too badly. So wish me luck. First thing I want to do is take my slotted screwdriver and raise these little whatever you want to call them, fasteners. And we'll do that to all these. And we'll remove that piece. Then I'm going to lift that up, push it that way, take that out, remove that light. These are the $67 shipping included replacement headlights. Bet you can notice my problem right away. The fog lights have a black background instead of the chrome background, which would reflect the light better. So I have enough problem seeing at night without that. But well, we're going to put them in and see how bad this. Done paid for them, might as well, right? Clips are out. This piece lifts off. Excellent time to clean it if that's what you want to do. What I want to do is pull out the grill. It's attached here and here. Everything just snaps in. Rather do it while it's warm. I hate to do it while it's cold, but it's going to take both hands. So let's see if I can't wiggle this thing out. Like I said, it just snaps in, so it just snaps out. As I said, just some snaps. These on the edges push in and pull out. And total of 6. Nothing to it. Good time to replace the grill or clean it or paint it or whatever you want to do to it while you got it out. But here's the headlights. This is what we're after. I'm going to remove the top one first and then see what we got to do to get to the bottom one. This slides out. The lamp housing goes forward. And you got the bulbs in the back, and they're going to rotate a certain way and then lift out. They rotate it that way. Lift out, and of course you don't touch the bulbs. You get oils on the bulbs from your fingers, and it burns the bulbs out or some such. So we're going to take these bulbs out, and we will get right back to you. Pinched my finger, I hurt a little bit. So don't know if you can see that in there, but the yeah, nope. I don't know if you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. But it's basically just a snap. It goes in right there and snaps in place. So we're going to take these bulbs out, same way, twist them. Looks like they can only twist one way. There's a stop on them. So twist them that way, pull them out, and replace it with the new one. And let's put them back together. Now's a good time to go down the road if you want the neighbors to think you hit a deer. Oh, Jim's done destroyed this pickup truck. Do you see that? It's missing the whole front end. So yeah, that was the original problem. Besides the frosting, was condensation. Usually these replacement sets come with replacement rubber washers that go here. This cheap $67 set from DNA Trucking off eBay did not come with any such replacement parts. So we're just going to go with the old ones and hope it don't leak too bad. Anyway, let's start putting her back together, shall we? Alright, so after some pointless and superficial cleaning, we are here. The bottom one has been installed. The top one, you put them in the tabs there, and then it slides up here, and you put your bar back in. Let me do if you get the holes lined up, which is easier to do with two hands. So we're just going to assume I got that done. The only reason I turned the camera back on real quick is to tell you to take care with these fittings, because they get real hot and they're made out of plastic, so they get brittle. So you can easily break them or pull the wires out or something if you're not careful. But we got this side about done, so let's finish up here. Installation was straightforward, fairly simple, until the last bulb of the last light. That one right there. On the back, it looks similar to this, and this is rubber isolation bushing. I assume that's what it is. This one has no give, right? But the cheaper one has lots of give, and as you try to push the bulb in and turn it, it would hit the rim, because this part would sink in. So yeah, still not overly impressed, but they're in. So let's get the grill back on and see what they look like. Got the plastic cover back on. Everything's back in place. Still don't see why he's going to charge me $140 for that job. It was 15 minutes, and that's making a video. So there it is. I'm not too impressed with the stealth look. I can see how some people would like it. I'd rather be able to see. But either way, there you go. Later on, I'll work on the grill a little bit, make it a little bit prettier. But for right now, I got other stuff to do. So this is Man Mountain Link. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you next time.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.